Hey, what's going on, folks? This is Keith, and you're watching Barber's Auto Help. I am so excited that you guys are watching today because I've got something really awesome to show you. We all come across this. Eventually, our batteries will develop a little bit of corrosion on them, and it's got to be taken care of because it can cause a no-start situation, and you just got to maintain your battery. Well, I've done this several different ways. I've used every method known to man. I've used chemicals, I've used baking soda, I've used Coca-Cola, wire brushes, you name it, until a coworker showed me a new method of doing this. And I do every single battery cleaning this way from now on, and I'll never go back. It's really efficient, really cheap, but you do need some equipment in order to do this. Let me show you what you need. So this is what we're going to be working with here. We got a 1-gallon jug of water there. We got some vacuum hose. I believe that's a little bit less than a 1/4 inch in diameter there. I got a blower, and of course you need an air line and a compressor. So this is the setup I got right here, guys. We're going to take our hose, we're going to dip it down into the water jug, and then the other end here we're going to use as kind of like a pressure washer. We have our air nozzle and the other end of our hose here, and we're going to spray some air across the tip of that. We're going to create a little bit of a venturi effect, and that's going to pull the water through the hose like that. So that's basically what we're doing. You can practice that a couple times before you actually do it on the battery there. It's real simple. We're going to give it like a little steam bath, if you would. Now folks, a couple of things to consider before doing something like this. You have to have eye protection. I would actually recommend a full face guard if you got one. Also, you need to be wearing nitrile gloves. You'll see me in this video not wearing nitrile gloves. That does not mean it's okay to do that. You're going to be handling battery acid, or going to be around battery acid anyway, and you don't want to get that on your skin, and you especially don't want to get that on your skin and then later on get it in your eyeballs. So wear you some gloves, clean up real good after you do this, okay guys? Now, first things first, go ahead and prep the area before you do this, okay? You want to get your battery wrapped up real good like you see right here with some towels that you don't care to use anymore, by the way. We're going to be spraying some water on this, and that water is going to mix up with that battery acid and also that corrosion there, and we're going to be blowing this off. So you don't want this stuff to get on your wiring or on your frame or body or anything else around the battery there, because it can corrode. So be careful to contain that and not to get that on any other component of your vehicle. Now you may want to take it a step further than I did right there, because you could potentially spray this on your paint. You may want to cover this up with a fender cover or something. Cover the rest of your vehicle up with maybe a sheet, something like that, just to prevent any of this battery acid from getting on any component that it doesn't need to get on. So be very careful with that, okay guys? Now I just want y'all to get a really good look at this corrosion. You see it's all in the nooks and crannies right there, in some areas that it would be very difficult to even get a wire brush into. So we're about to decimate this in a matter of seconds. So let's go ahead and do that, and I want to give you a good before and after. This is before, you're about to see the after. All right, here we go, guys. Take a close look. All right, so this is just after a few seconds of work here, and you can see it's just plain copper on that clamp there. Now we're going to work on this just a little bit more, and of course I'm going to take the clamp loose from the post and clean the inside of it and all that. But I just want to give you an example of how quickly and how efficiently this method can clean your battery up there. These things are looking brand new when we're done. Here's another example of another battery service that I did. You see the before and the after. This method works great. I really don't use any other method other than this. So yeah guys, that's it in a nutshell. I still got some more work to do on this battery. It's not done yet, by the way, but I just want to show you that method. It's really helped me out in the shop. I'm a flat rate technician, and I don't have all day to chisel on these battery clamps or to sit there with a wire brush and just hack away at this corrosion. This takes care of it in a matter of seconds. Now if you're using this video, before you do, read the entire description down below. I got more very important information down there that you need to know before you attempt this. If you're watching this video on a platform other than youtube.com, you may need to go to youtube.com/Barber's Auto Help. Find this video there. The description will be beneath it. Please read that, guys. You must read that description before you attempt this. More information is down there. This isn't the whole kit and caboodle. So, hope you liked it. If you did, hit the like button. Please subscribe. Let me know if you have any questions, guys. Thank you so much for watching.